Welcome back. Today we're talking about Dreamweaver CS6 and how templates can help us create a more uniform, consistent website with a lot less time overhead. We can see if we look down here that we have a website built, a Cascade style sheet, style.css, and an FTP account. So let's go up and let's start out. File, New. We're going to create a blank template based on HTML with no layout. It's an HTML5 type document, and let's attach a style sheet. And let's go ahead and save that as a template, and we'll call that main. Now let's create two new web pages based on that template. Page from template, teaching website, main, and we're going to make it so that we can update it when the template changes. And let's save that file as an index file. And let's create a new file, new, page template, based on the main. That's updatable when the template changes. And we'll save that as page 1. Now let's take both of those pages and push them to the website. And we can see they're blank. And if we look at the index in the design mode, we can see that the cursor tells us nothing is editable because it is a circle with a line through it. So let's go back to our template, main.template, and let's put in a text region we can edit. Templates, edit region, and we'll call that banner text. And now we can save that, and we can see that it knows there are two pages attached to this that are part of this theme that need to be updated. And here we can see two were examined, two files were updated, and there were 0 files that failed to update. Let's go back to index, and we can see now again the area does not let us edit, except for in the place that we put in that is a edit region, and we'll call that index page, and we'll save that, and we can go to this page and we will call that page 1, and we can save that. If we go back to index, we can see that in our index we're not changing the code hasn't changed, just the appearance. Alright, so let's go to here, back to our theme, and let's put in a line break just to separate everything. And let's insert an image. And we have a nice image going, and we can see our image there. And if we save it, we can tell that the two pages want to be updated again, so let's update them. And we can close that. And now if we look at our web page, index in this case, we can see that the image is not changeable or editable, but the text area is. Well, let's go back to our theme page or our template page, highlight that, and now let's make that an editable region. Template with objects, editable region. And there we go. And let's save that. And again, two pages that are based on this can be updated, and we can close that. So there is the index page in the design view, and we can see that our cursor goes to an arrow telling us we can edit it. And once again, over to the design on the page 1, same thing, we can edit that. So let's go to that, to our page 1, pick up the point to a file, and we'll go to a different image. Test. And let's save all of our files. And let's take those 2 pages and push them to the website. And now if we take a look at our pages, we see we have a consistent look, except for those bits and pieces that are editable. That is the fundamental concept behind templates. Our next section, we will talk about how to do repeating editable regions for things like menus. This is Lee, and thanks for viewing.